Yesterday, a cold front moved through, bringing a thin line of showers with it. Well, that rain has expanded a little bit, and it's still sticking around to the south. From Fort Myers northbound, we have been pretty dry here overnight and throughout the morning, but we've got some very small showers moving in on the flow that's moving in out of the southwest. Surface winds coming in out of the north, but this overrunning is causing some rain, especially in the southern parts of Collier County, from Marco, Everglades City, all along 41 here early. That rain will continue to drift south and break apart a bit, but we're going to see mostly cloudy skies here today, and the sunshine is going to attempt to break through here at times, but unfortunately it's not going to do much for our temperatures, as we'll call today mostly cloudy and cool. Definitely going to be breezy as well. You can see that wind moving in out of the north. Well, the rain chances is going to start increasing again overnight tonight, and by tomorrow morning we're going to see some showers around. That will continue throughout the day, and matter of fact, tomorrow's rain chance 60 to 70%, and we get another batch moving through late Tuesday into Wednesday, as it's going to be wet and dreary here for the early to mid parts of the week. Our temperatures right now mid to upper 50s, and as far as compared to yesterday, we are down 15 to nearly 20 degrees comparing our temperatures from 24 hours ago, and dew point values are way down, at least from Fort Myers north. We're in the upper 40s, where that moisture still out in Collier, we're still in the upper 50s. It's breezy out there. Winds right now near 10 in Fort Myers. We've seen them in the mid-teens all morning long. We've seen gusts in the low 20s. Well, very quickly today, these winds are going to start picking back up, and we're going to see a gust 15 to 20 miles per hour, and that's going to keep our temperatures rather chilly here today, and again overnight tonight, as we don't see much movement there in the wind direction. So for this afternoon, we're looking at 63 degrees for Fort Myers, low 60s there for Arcadia and Palmdale, and then overnight tonight, upper 40s with low to mid 50s. So a cool night on the way, and it gets even colder in the 7-day. Big outbreak of bitterly cold air. Minus 12 right now in Minneapolis, minus 1 Chicago, 9 in Nashville, and in time that air is going to continue to move off towards the east and get our temperatures possibly in the upper 30s here in the 7-day. I do want to show you this statewide view of what's going to happen here the next couple of days. You see that cloud cover and the rain returning here overnight tonight and tomorrow. That's snow and ice for New Orleans and I-10. That's going to continue to move across the Florida Panhandle, and over the next couple of days there are winter storm advisories for the northern half of the state, as we're expecting that ice and snow mix to be just north of Orlando through Jacksonville. You don't see this very often here for the state of Florida. Let me show you what it looks like with temperatures here. We are going to stay well below our averages in the mid 70s. It's going to be cloudy and wet Tuesday and Wednesday. Despite the rain and cloud cover getting out of here Friday and Saturday, Friday night into Saturday, we could wake up in the upper 30s, and then we go up into the upper 70s by Sunday.